我必须是你近旁的一株木棉，作为树的形象和你站在一起。
I must be a cotton tree beside you, be the image of a tree standing together with you. Our roots entwined underground, our leaves touching in the clouds. Together we'll shoulder the cold snaps, the storms, the thunderbolts. Together we'll share the haze, the rolling mist, the bright rainbows.
I cherish your smile that often greets me at the door. Somehow you still carry that infectious smile in the early morning when the alarm goes off and you tell me you're not quite ready for the day to have come.
Just as they hope you will be active participants and supporters in their lives and marriage, Blake and Oriane also want you to be active participants in this ceremony.
Your very first role, it's happening now, as active participants, is to imbue the wedding rings with your positive wishes.
Just before Blake breaks the glass, we will all pronounce them husband and wife. That's right, they will be joined by the power vested in all of us today. So please, everyone, repeat after me. Blake and Oriane.
Blake and Oriane.
We now pronounce you husband and wife.
We now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Until I found you.
Oriane and I did a back of the envelope calculation and calculated that you, the guests, will cumulatively have flown about 750,000 miles or 1.2 million kilometers to be here today. This is an extraordinary display of friendship.
We have now expanded our family, and we welcome Blake with open arms and joyful hearts. Oriane and Blake, may your journey ahead be blessed with the wisdom of the wise.
Finally, I want to thank my love, Blake, once more for marrying me.
And my mother, Betty, and Blake had a very special relationship. She would be so excited.
I wish you many happy years together.
Without a doubt, I can say he's my favorite sibling, since he's the only one I got. And we decided a long time ago that we would definitely make this work.
I know that we are all familiar with her many wonderful qualities, but what I can talk about is their childhood origins. When I was 5 years old, I missed 3 months of school due to heart surgery. Someone teased that my heart had been removed or was somehow broken. Oriane snapped to my rescue, quickly silencing the teasers and proclaiming, "Matthew doesn't have a broken heart. They took it out and put in a star." Here I was, this little boy back from a major medical event. Others saw a target for their jokes, and Oriane helped me see that I was a star.
Been a long time coming since I seen your face. I've been everywhere and back, trying to replace everything that I had till my feet went numb. Praying like a fool, it's been on the run. Heart still beating, but it's not working. It's like $1 million phone that you just can't ring. I reach out, trying to love, but I feel nothing. Yeah, my heart is numb. But with you, I feel again. since you know me. I was a lonely soul, but that's the only. A little wiser now from what you show me. I feel again.